Motorola launched its new smartphone under Edge series in India called Motorola Edge 50 with premium-looking design. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone. The Motorola Edge 50 features a tall 6.7-inch 1.5K resolution curved OLED display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1600 nits of peak brightness support. The screen is HDR10 Plus certified, and on the top it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 AE chipset, paired with Adreno 644 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage. As per the optics, the Motorola Edge 50 sports a triple camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. And there is 13-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 120-degree field of view, alongside an 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom plus OIS support. For selfies it has 32-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.4 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 68 watts wired turbo power charging support, plus 15 watts wireless charging support, and it runs on Android 14 out of the box. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it includes Dolby Atmos surrounded sound system for better audio experience, and it is IP68 certified for dust and water resistance, and it is also military standard 810H compliant for shock resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes Dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 160.8 by 72.4 by 7.79 millimeters, and it weighs around 180 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Motorola Edge 50 has been priced in India at 27,999 Indian rupees. And it is set to go on sale in the country starting from August 8th, in jungle green, Pantone peach fuzz, and koala gray color options. So, what do you guys think of this Motorola Edge 50 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.